this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the new 2024 Ford Bronco Sport Big Bend, coming in this Atlas blue coloring. This vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Class 2 trailer tow package and the convenience package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have that nice rear park sensing. You have your tow hitch there, backup camera of course, and you can lift up the glass here for easy convenience for cargo. And of course we do have the roof racks for all your cargo necessities. We do have that nice blind spot detection, and moving to the front real quick, we have that nice Bronco grille. This vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside in the winter to heat up your vehicle. Taking a look at the back here, we can see we do have plenty of cargo space, and you can attach these to here so you can have a nice gripped cargo mat. You have cargo space there, hooks, your lights, 12-volt outlet right there, and of course you do get cargo space with your spare tire, which is always a plus. And of course you can fold down these seats for extra room. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's on, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We do have this nice black and gray cloth interior, and of course if you don't need that extra person, we do have 2 cup holders right there and some arm space, USB and USB-C. Plenty of door space as well, with some silver accents on the door. Taking a look at the driver's seat now, we can see the seats are powered with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, but we do get this nice textured black cloth on the front 2 seats. You do have plenty of space here, trunk opener, and your lights are right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 15.3 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel with your main menu for that right there. Voice and media controls there. Volume and cruise control there. Now looking at your main menu, you have seatbelts, blah 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 blah. Trip 2, My View, which you can select as digital speedometer, fuel, calm screen, driving assist, audio, what phone's connected, information about the vehicle such as all these, which is pretty handy. Oh, come on. And continue your look here. You have your gear shift there, 2 cup holders, wireless charging pad, as well as some storage here with the USB, USB-C, and a 12-volt parking brake, and your GO modes right there. With your GO modes being normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand. Continue your look here. We do have a nice leather-wrapped center console with a fair bit of storage that has a USB and USB-C. We do have 2 heated front seats plus dual climate. Some storage here with your engine start, auto stop, auto start, hazards, your infotainment screen, garage door opener right there, as well as storage in the glove box. Now looking at your main screen, you do have what station you're currently on, compass, and phone. You do get a nice Wi-Fi hotspot. This vehicle is compatible with Sirius XM and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. What phone is connected? Apps, settings such as Bluetooth, FORDPASS, Wi-Fi, and so on and so forth. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RE58053, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.